Ever popped your hood and had no clue what you were looking at? Let's fix that in 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you what's actually under your car's hood, so you can stop guessing and start understanding. No boring jargon. No deep mechanics. Just the basics you should know every time you lift the hood. Let's start with the engine. This is the heart of your car. It burns fuel and makes the whole thing move. Inside, fuel and air mix, tiny explosions happen, pistons fire, and boom, you're cruising down the road. You'll usually see a big metal block. That's the engine. On top, the valve cover. Somewhere nearby, the oil cap. If you see the oil cap, that means your engine oil goes there. And speaking of oil, check it with the dipstick. Yes, that long stick with the loop on top. Pull it out, wipe it, reinsert, then check the level. Next up, fluids. Your car runs on more than gas. You've got engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and washer fluid. Coolant keeps the engine from overheating. Brake fluid helps your brakes do their job. Power steering fluid makes turning easy. Washer fluid? Obvious. If anything's low, fill it. If it's leaking, fix it. No excuses. Now let's talk battery. It powers everything electrical, from starting the car to playing music. If it looks corroded or your car is slow to start, you might need a new one. Batteries usually last about 3 years. Beside the battery, you might see your air filter housing. That filter keeps dust out of the engine. If it's dirty, replace it. Easy. Belts and hoses are everywhere under the hood. Don't ignore them. The serpentine belt runs a bunch of important systems. If it breaks, you're stuck. Hoses move coolant and air. If they're cracked, swollen, or leaking, replace them. Even if you're not fixing things yourself, knowing what's what can save you money and stress at the mechanic. This isn't about being a pro. It's about not being clueless. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment about what you want me to cover next. Maybe oil changes, brake pads, whatever's under your car. Thanks for watching. Now go pop that hood and look like you know what you're doing.